Well, tonight we're looking through new court documents in the Moscow murder case. An Ada County judge denied a few motions Brian Kohberger's defense team filed. They were arguing to dismiss evidence before the upcoming trial. KREM 2's Connor McAvoy spoke with a former Idaho Attorney General about the motions and what they could mean for the trial.
One of those motions argued the justification of DNA evidence found during the initial investigation. Kohberger's defense team argued it violates his Fourth Amendment right. The judge ruled against that motion, making that and several other pieces of evidence still on the table come the trial. Police arrested Brian Kohberger for the quadruple homicide of 4 University of Idaho students on December 30th of 2022. A knife sheath with DNA evidence was found in a trash bag at the scene. Kohberger's defense team argued its finding violated Kohberger's right to privacy. The judge decided there was no right to privacy, labeling the sheath as abandoned DNA.
No additional documentation, no additional warrants, no additional permit was required for the state to acquire that and use that in evidence.
Former Idaho Attorney General David Leroy explains how the judge came to the decision. The judge also denied a motion arguing law enforcement misrepresented facts about the case. Additionally, the defense argued to suppress evidence collected through data platforms such as cell phone records and an Amazon account, as well as previous search warrants. Leroy says the number of motions made are significant.
The Kohberger defense team had made a very aggressive, very creative attack all the way across the evidence.
The only motion the judge did allow involved the sealing of anything relating to evidence gathered at this time. Leroy says that decision helps in a fair trial.
So as not to potentially prejudice any prospective jurors by exposure in the media.
Ahead of Kohberger's court date, Leroy says the evidence-related motions made on Wednesday, while denied, create a basis for what he hopes to see as a fair trial in the incoming months.
This is set up for a clean, fair, vigorous trial. And I'm most hopeful that we can find an objective jury who has not made up its mind about the case before the case. Because
Kohberger's trial date is August 11th of this year. We reached out to Kohberger's defense team regarding the denied motions. They say they aren't commenting at this time. Connor McAvoy, KREM 2 News.